What up, good people? A huge shout out to my boy Steve for allowing me to review his 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Today we are reviewing the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Right here we have a 20-inch wheel with a glossy black finish with Brembo brakes. Right here we are looking at a 2.0 liter turbocharged pushing out 309 for the MPG Highway 28 City 22 with a 0 to 60 4.9 seconds. Here's the sound of it. Look at the carbon fiber side skirt. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We have red and black bucket seats. Also, we have sports pedals to give that sporty feel. On the left, you have your engine temperature. On the right, you have your gas gauge. In the middle, you have a digital display. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control with your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. Over here, you have your traction control button. On the door panel, we have your standard unlock and lock with your automatic window control. This particular model have a push button start. Right here we have a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now we are bringing it down to your dual climate control. Beneath the climate control we have a cubby area. We have your shift knob with your leather boot. The Type R is only a 6-speed manual transmission. Right here we have your brake hold button. Now we're bringing it back to your electronic parking brake. Right here is your drive mode setting. Now we're bringing it back to your cup holder area. We done made our way up to the mount light. Now we've made our way to the back of the vehicle. Back here we have cup holder area. Now we done made our way to the cargo area. This part is very spacious. Like always, good people, browse the channel, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video.